Hey guys, it's Miss Ireton. I was just wanting to go over what I want you guys to do in an easy way, I think, or in our way around watching videos and taking notes. If you're wanting to do that all digitally and on the same device. And so, as always, you can always print things off if you've got that option, or write them by hand. That's always an option as well. But if you want to try doing it digitally through this OneNote app, which, by the way, they push through on everyone's device. And so on your iPad, if you go to Manager, you should be able to download the OneNote app and be able to work offline like I am right now. It makes things a lot easier and a lot less glitchy. You do need to every now and then come up and maybe sync your notebook, and that will update something if I send something out to you. But first thing, you'll have something that looks like this. You'll have a section, Unit 1, and then I will be pushing out different pages in that section. I'll try to do one page per lesson. And so this is, I know it's 5 videos, but each video is pretty short, 4 or 5 minutes, maybe 8 minutes max. And so on some of these, we've got me teaching. On some, you're gonna see a different or hear a different teacher, just depending on we're kind of using the same videos. So, first thing I would do is, well, and just to let you know what I've got in this, I've got links to the videos on YouTube. These are all in Canvas as well, but PDF and a printout of the guided notes that you'll have, and then if you scroll down, I've got the assignment, a printout of the assignment. So I've also got something kind of, I think, important for you to read before, to make sure that you understand this printout of the homework assignment is just for you. Remember, we created that Big Ideas Math login, and that is for you to go in and actually submit your answers. So first thing, launch this. What I'm going to do is kind of make this, make this smaller, come back to my OneNote, make this smaller. What I can do is hit this kind of book tile thing off to the side, and it minimizes that. At least that takes that off. If you want to make this bigger, you can always zoom in, or you can actually click on here, drag. To edit your notes, you've noticed that like a lot of these already have things typed in for you, but if you're working on a problem and you want to write in there, you come up to Draw in OneNote. This is already in text mode, so I can add text anywhere I want to in this document. Or if I want to write, I come into the pen mode and write, or I can highlight or marker. That way I can watch the video.
For 1.1, we're mainly just going to talk about parent functions
At the same time that I'm taking notes. Okay, so I just wanted to confirm that when you get done with the notes, and these are all just for you. Remember, I'm never going to come in here and grade all this. But I would do this because when you go to take any quizzes, those are all going to be open note. When you start working on the practice problems, these need to be submitted through bigideasmath.com. And so when you come into that, I don't want Safari. When you come into that Big Ideas Math site, I need to be in Chrome for this. Okay. You're going to log in with the credentials that I gave you, or that you created. You're going to come to your assignments tab, and you'll see I've actually, let's see, yep. These are all my classes, so don't freak out. Here I've got parent functions and transformations. That's Algebra 2. So I want to enter those. I'm going to work through those problems, and if I want to record my answers, I can go back to that OneNote, and I would do that. So if you want to have your work, and you can see that goes along with number 1, complete the sentence. The function of f of x equals x squared is the blank and blank of f of x equals 2x squared minus 3. That is the same problem that I've gotten here. So let's say you want to enter that question. If you want to check your answer then on Big Ideas, ooh, I got it wrong. Now I see that I have a Need Help button pop up, and I can watch an additional video or review the lesson on a PDF. Okay, when you are ready, or you can keep working on this, save and exit if you want. When you're ready to submit this, I would submit it, and then that's when I see it. Okay, I don't see it until then. So let me know if you've got questions, and I will be available during all of my office hours and class time for help. See you later.